day, good afternoon everybody, and welcome to the 4th year celebration of the BGC Coffee Fest, a festival where we celebrate bikes and of course coffee. So I hope everybody here at BGC, here at 5th Avenue, I hope you guys are all enjoying your coffee and of course everything that we have prepared for you guys this evening or this afternoon. We've been here the entire day. There's been so many activities, so many things that we've been doing the entire day, and we'll still be here until tomorrow. My name is Andre, I'll be your host for this evening. We have a lot in store for you guys. We have great music and of course more coffee for everybody this evening. And of course, the festival has been so exciting with all of our pictures. We have organizations, so many booths over here for you guys to spend the weekend with. And it's a lot of fun. It's so much fun, and of course, this is all going to be possible. We got all of our booths over here. Let me mention all of them, give them a shout out one at a time. For arts, we got Crimson River Tattoo. For body art, we also have Body Stuff Studio for modeling workshops. And all of our art prints, more lunch patterns and art prints. And over more power over right over there. We have always studios and all over the Kings and Radio station for our ABC 125 merch. And you also for our resident cycling outdoor lifestyle brands. Get your true nation cycling, raffle, Sandragunas, specialized in Pacific Synergy. Maybe we're talking about boots over here, Filipino. Let's try that more boots of all. Let's try that more that food. Today for our coffee room, I will Filipino, single origin, Northern Star. Ganun madali lang guys. Kasi hindi naman yung hindi nyo makita kayo dito.
Saka-sakay.
It's super easy. Make it super easy. Ready? Look at the camera over there. We'll go for OOTD. So, meron pa ba? Do we have challenges? Come on, push your friends. We're not gonna bite, guys. We're just giving away prizes. That's all we want to do. Oh, diba? Hi! Hello, what's your name? Lisa. Misa, I like your outfit today. Misa, what coffee have you tried here at Coffee Fest so far? Combi coffee? Combi, alright. So are you enjoying BGC Coffee Fest so far? What have you bought there? What did you buy? Or bread. Ayan. Sakto yan with coffee, diba? But since you came up here with a great OOTD, we're gonna give you a prize. See? It's that easy. You get a mug. Let's see what it says. Ain't got no time. I love it. It's that easy. Pangatlo na. Okay, so we have a few more. Meron pa ba? Do you have challenges? Thank you, Misa. Oh, diba? I'm just gonna talk to you guys and you automatically. Hi, sir! Oh, diba nakapila na sila? This is all for free. We're just giving away prizes. Hi, come here in front. Come here. Wait, daming fan club ba yan? What's your name? Jan, pero Jan na lang. Full name eh, nahirapan ako eh. Jan, I like your OTD. Sino kasama mo ngayon dito sa Coffee Fest? Shoutout mo.
Si Kuya Noel, si Kuya Dendren, si Kuya Alto, si Kuya Joshua, si Kuya Justin, tsaka si Grace.
Alright, your outfit. Sino yung inspiration mo sa outfit mo ngayong gabi?
Yung mga nasa TikTok lang po.
Yun, tambay sa TikTok si Jan. Okay, Jan, congratulations! You won a prize from BGC Coffee Fest. Ayun. Take a look at the camera. Picture ko muna doon. Yeah, that's for you. How many more do we have? 3 more. 3 more. Meron ba tayo? Uy. Ang cute nila. Uy. Sino ba nasali dito? Hi! Oh, ganun diba? Hi, what's your name? Miriam, senior na po siya. Yan. Congratulations. Miriam, sino kasama mo ba yung sa Coffee? So, kamusta naman? Nag-enjoy mo ba kayo so far? Anong natin parang Coffee dito? Susubok pa ba kayo diba Coffee? Yan. So, thank you, Miriam. Ganun ka kanina. We're gonna give you a prize. Courtesy of BGC Coffee Fest. Wait naman, Miriam. Wait na sa mga facts natin dito. Picture. Oh, wait. Yeah. Thank you, Miriam. You got 2 more!
Parang gagano ka lang.
Congratulations, you won a prize courtesy of BGC. Wala pa ka naman natin. Congratulations and happy birthday! Picture mo tayo? Sa picture? I hope you guys are enjoying BGC Coffee Fest so far. These services are totally already you guys so much fun and enjoying activities with you. We have rides, we have white light, we have tattoos, we have art, we have coffee.
May salamat, dumating ka rin.
This is a place to do so. Go around. Who has a favorite coffee so far? Meron ba kayo dyan? Kahit hindi guys here. What's your favorite? Ano yung try mo na? Hindi ka mo ilang araw yung dalawa. What's your name? What's your favorite? Matcha, is it good? Avenue BGC matcha. Ayan, congratulations. Say shout out to Hero. Who else has like a coffee? Who's drinking coffee right now that he got here from one of our booths? Meron ba? Me? Oh, hi sir. What's your name? Come here. Come here, sir. What's your name? We have a mic for you, yan. So we can talk naman to our friend here. What's your name? Hi sir, June. What did you get? What is it? Sulo coffee. Where's the Sulo coffee booth? It's right there. How is it? What did you get? Ano yan? Americano. How is it? You like it? Masarap yung ulap. So hopefully they have that. So, but Americano is pretty good. Who are you with here at Coffee Fest? Your wife. Bakit siya walang coffee? Ay, hindi. Kasi nga, gabit na rin naman talaga. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Alright. Let's see who else has coffee here. What's your favorite coffee so far, BGC Coffee Fest? I tried Coffee Roux. That was pretty good. Who else? Who has like a favorite? Ito, nakikita ko. Lalapit ako yung may iniinom na coffee. Hi, ma'am. Dalawa kayo. What are you drinking?